Assalamu alaikum, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial we will learn how to calculate the mass of our design model. Finding mass bears very importance in any design as it helps us to estimate the cost of our product. Normally the cost of products of iron and steels are calculated on the basis of their weight. So in this video we will learn how we can find the weight of our design. So first of all we will design a part. For that we will go on part. Now we will select front plane, sketch, and I will draw a circle. This is our circle, and here we will enter its dimensions 150 mm. Outer circle. Okay, now we will again design another circle in the center of the older one. Now we will assign dimension, and this is 88 and I will keep it 80. Click OK. Now go on feature and extrude it. We will extrude it up to 75 mm. You can make any design. I am just making a shorter design so that we can save time, and the method to find the mass or weight of any design is same. So making a shorter body is just to save your time. Now we will assign a material to it, and for that I will click on material. Here edit material, and here we have a list of materials. So I am going to make it stainless steel. Here we have all the properties of stainless steel: its specific heat, thermal conductivity, thermal expansion coefficient, mass density, shear modulus, tensile strength, etc., and everything we have on our screen. Now I will click on apply and then close. Now we can see that its appearance is changed, and we have our body in stainless steel. Now we will move toward our main point, which is to calculate its mass. So we will click on evaluate, and here we have mass properties. I will click on it, and now we can see that we have density 0.01 grams per cubic meter, mass 97.27 grams, and volume is 68.28 cubic meter. Here is its surface area, center of mass, and we can see that the mass is in z-axis, center of mass. So here we have all these technical terminologies, and including mass and volume. So we will click on recalculate. Here we have options, and we can change the accuracy level of our weight or mass analysis. So I will change it to medium or higher, and I will click on OK. Now it has refreshed the values, but there is no but there is no major difference. So I will again click on recalculate. It is recalculated, and now the question is how we can find its weight. So here we have mass 77,397 grams, and we will put this mass into the formula weight is equal to the product of mass and gravity. So in this formula we will place 7397.27 in the place of grams and 9.8 in the place of gravity, and after that we will find the mass, and after that we have the mass of this body. Now we will calculate its weight using calculator. So I will search here calculator. First of all, we will convert these grams into kilograms, a larger unit. So 7397.27, and we will divide it on 1000. We can see that the mass is 7.3 kilograms. Now we will put it in the formula weight is equal to the product of mass and gravity. So now we will put it in. Here we have the value of mass, and we will multiply it with gravity, 9.8 meter per second square, which is the gravitational acceleration. So we will click on equal, and here we have 72.493246, and this is our weight, and according to W is equal to mg, our weight is in Newton. So kg meter per second square is equal to Newton. So we have the weight of this body 72 Newton, and the mass is 7397.27 grams, which is equal to about 7.3 kilograms. Now we can print this report. We will click on print, and here we have the pages. I will click on OK, and then I will select the folder desktop, and here we have all these folder. I will select steel structure and open. Here I will save it, and I will give it name technical report of project. I will save it, and now we will check it. Here we have our technical data in PDF form. So this is our technical data: density, mass, volume, surface area, and center of mass in. So this was our tutorial. If you are new on our channel, then please subscribe our channel so that you can get notifications of our incoming videos. Thanks for watching.